Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's makeup tutorial, I will show you a quick and easy way to do a winged eyeliner on hooded eyes or small eyes. I show you step by step and share some tips and tricks, so hopefully this tutorial is easy for beginners. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you like this makeup. And now let's get started. First, I'm going to clean the bottom of my eyebrows with the Rimmel Stay Matte concealer. I always do this whether I apply eyeshadows or not, so my eyebrows can look like more sculpted and clean, but you can definitely skip this step because it's not important for eyeshadows. I'm also going to use this concealer as a primer for my shadows, so I'll apply more on my eyelid and blend it out. And you don't necessarily need a brush or a sponge because your finger does a really good job to blend it out. And it does have to be nice and blended, very important in order for the eyeshadows to blend out nice, easy, and fast. By the way, I do have an eyebrow tutorial. If you guys would like to check that video out, I will put it in the description box below. And now you can see that the eyelid all the way up to my brow bone is just one shade. It looks nice and even and ready for eyeshadows. Today I'll be using the new Anastasia Norvina Volume 4 palette. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow with this brush from Profusion ES3. Since I did not set the concealer, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow in tapping motions. That way the concealer doesn't move. And I'll start by applying it just on my eyelid. You can see that this shade is very pigmented, and you do want to use a fluffy brush like this one because these really help to just pack on the matte eyeshadows on the eyelid. Now you can see the other eye that the eyeshadow goes past the crease, making the eye look a little bigger compared to the other one where I just have it on the lid. For hooded eyes, you want the eyeshadow to be visible above the crease. This is important so your eye can look a little bit bigger. I'm going to blend it out with the same brush in circular motions. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure, and make sure you don't have a lot of product on the brush. It helps if I stretch my eyelid by lifting my eyebrow a little bit to blend out the eyeshadow a lot faster and easier. I still want to move the eyeshadow a little bit higher, so I'll need to add more. And if you do that, you don't want to apply the eyeshadow exactly where the shadow on your eyelid is already looking blended. You want to apply it lower. Then you can slowly start blending it out in circular motions above your crease. And like I said, you want to make sure you don't have a lot of product on the brush when you're blending it out. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. I apply it right below the arch of my brows, and I just blend it out a little bit lower than that. Not so much, especially if you have hooded eyes, because you don't want that part to stand out a lot because your hooded eye is just going to look bigger, or your eye is going to look droopier, so you don't want that. Just blend it out a little bit lower than the arch of your eyebrow. For the inner corner, I'm going to get this shimmery eyeshadow with the Real Techniques Detailer brush, and this is such a gorgeous shade and so pigmented, and it gives it a nice glow for your inner corner. Now I'm going to be using this liquid eyeliner from Covergirl. I'm going to start by doing a very thin liner from the center, right above the roots of my eyelashes, all the way to the outer corner without passing the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going to make the outer part just a little bit thicker. For hooded eyes, you want to avoid applying dark eyeliners on the inner corner. That's a big mistake. It just makes your eye look a lot smaller. For the winged part, as you can see, the other eye, I pretty much imagine a line from the outer corner of my eye to the tail of my eyebrow. And it's just a straight line right there, and you can see that the eyeliner goes straight like that. And I'm just going to be using the tip of the applicator to make sure that the line is thin. Then I connect it on the top and just fill it in, and I either make it thicker, longer, just depending on how the other eye is looking, because you want to make them look kind of the same, because they're never going to be exactly the same. But yeah, this liquid eyeliner is perfect for beginners and it's affordable. Then you want to pop on your lashes. The ones I'm going to be wearing are from EyesomeLux, which is my brand. These are in the style Bella. You can see that they're kind of shorter from the inner corner, and then towards the outer corner they're a bit longer. These are only 10 bucks. I'll leave the link to my website in the description box below in case you want to order yours. But yeah, that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope it helped you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look and what other videos you'd want me to film. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!